Okay, going to do a tutorial for Conundrum Art. Just going to go over a few things on here. So I just want to point out the two main things. You've got, let's see, you've got posts and pages. Now your pages are in here. And these are more the static part of the website. You're probably not going to change these too much. And those basically are, these are your pages here, except for the news, which displays the posts. And the posts are what you're going to be putting in most likely in add a new post. You just click here. Right, your title goes here, your content goes here. The SEO goes here, and there's videos on YouTube. You can just do SEO for WordPress or just SEO to get more insight on how to do that. You put your post tags in here, then click Add, and then Publish, and then it'll show up. The newest one's always going to show up here, or they can click here and find it. I just put a quick little blurb in there just to put something in there. And you can go from there. Now, we want to look at the galleries, which is in the Nextgen gallery. So in the WordPress dashboard, you just come over. It's going to be all the way on the bottom to gallery. And then we want to manage the gallery. This is where the gallery images are located. So we can go into paintings, and you can see I put a label on the ball of fire, and I put a description in. So if we go back and look at the website and go into the paintings gallery, and there's 3 different galleries on here, we can see when I do the mouse over the ball of fire, and that's pulling in from this area here. Now, when I click on the painting, or click on the image, I put in the ball of fire, and then I place your comments here, which pulls in from here, this area. Now, if you want, you can do that for all of them. Obviously, you just fill it in here. I took out the little the minus sign in between all of those. Depending on how you want it, that's up to you. The other thing you can do is sort the gallery. So if you want different pictures in different orders, you can just drag it. So now this will be the first one. If I save it. So if I go back over here, let's just click that off, refresh, and now that just moved that. So that's just a real easy way to do it. I can go back to the gallery here, and what else can we do? Now if we want to add additional images, we do that here. So if I want to add more, I'm going to pick out my picture, and then I can pick what gallery it goes into. Again, you've got the paintings, drawings, and fun stuff. So then you just upload it, and it'll bring it right in. Then you can go back into Manage Gallery, pick the one that you want. Slow internet today. And then once we get back into that area, just go into, come on. Huh. Interesting. Hello. Oh, there we go. Anyway, so then you just come in and the new one will be at the bottom. You just fill in with the information that you want. Tags over here, I don't know that you need to get too crazy about that. Or the exclude button, let's say you want to just keep it in here but not show it for some reason. Maybe you want to take one out for a little while. You can just check on that, save the changes. There's different things that you can do from over here also if you want to resize images, delete, rotate. I mean, anyway, there's all kinds of things you can do in here. And you select it by checking. So if I only select those two, and maybe I want to set a watermark and apply, which I'm not going to do because we don't want those. You just click that here and then save any changes. So it's pretty straightforward. You might, you can look at the options. There's different things for, if you want to make the thumbnails bigger or smaller, you can do that. Where I did the fix so they come in at the right aspect ratios, I originally had that checked. I unchecked that. So anyway, you can just poke around in here. Don't save anything necessarily because that may screw things up. If you're not sure about what you're doing, just don't do anything. Anyway, that should be it for now. If you have any questions, let me know. I've got other videos on how to use WordPress and how to log in. But I think once you get in here and start using it, it should be fairly simple. So, okay, very good. Thanks.